So here are the ingredients and the things you need. First, you need a medium bowl and a big bowl.
And a teaspoon.
Then you need a measuring cup.
And we have a bigger teaspoon.
That's a tablespoon. We need sugar.
And a net. And
The mixer.
the mixer has connects this.
The scale. 2 chicken eggs. And flour. You also need a net too. Now let's go and make the first step. Step 1, you have 2 eggs. I do it. Here we have the yolk and egg white. So now we will crack the egg and separate them. So now we will put the yolk in the small bowl and the egg white in the big bowl. Step 2. Now we will take the mixture to mix the egg white. The tips in this step 2 is you must remember to put in and then turn on. If you turn on and then put in, the egg white will split it out.
It's spinning! Hi guys, it's strong engine! You see guys, it's strong! But don't
You
click
will
number
mix
5.
the egg white to be white like this. And then now let's put the sugar. You will put 20 grams of sugar, but each time you just put a little and then mix it. And we will put about 10 to 20 times like that.
And spin
And
it
then we
again.
spin it again.
The thing is
When you
split.
mix it, but you check. But when you do like this, the egg white does not move or falling down. That means you finish. And now let's change to the yolk. The yolk, you do the same. The yolk, you mix it too, and then you put a little sugar, but just little, and then put more and more, and then mix it and check like this. It's the same. Step 3. When you have the yolk like this, let's try.
Yeah.
It is sweet, it is good, and the sugar is not here more. It will mix well with the yolk already. Now we will put the yolk in the egg white. Wait.
Make a hole, just make a hole.
You pour this in and mix it together.
Wow! It's lava! I think so, is it? Just we'll make a cake. It's falling. It's sweet.
And then mix it well together.
Step 4. Spin them.
Step 5. You will pour the flour into the net, and then the flour on the net, we put it here. Step 6. After you mix all of the things together, it will look like this. Remember when the first, the egg white is go up, but now look, it's go down. So step 6 is make a hole and pour the milk in. Don't pour all, but just pour a little bit, and then stop and then pour a little bit. Step 7. After you mix well, it's like this. You will leave it 15 minutes for it to rise up. It will don't the process of it, but it will rise up. It will look like this, and now we will bake it.
Wait, let me try.
There are many tips in this step, the final step. The first tip is put the heat just medium. The second step is to put the center and put the bottom here. And the third tip is remember your pan is not sticky. If it's sticky, the cake will not yummy, or it will stick there.
I finished my pancake. Yummy. Try them. And click on the bell or Google YouTube. See you. But wait a minute.